Immobiliser fit, and they've secured this Ferrari F8 Tributo with a Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So as thieves are doing in London, programming keys, smashing the window, making one of these, or simply taking this, stealing this off you, doing a relay attack, going to steal the vehicle. If they do that, go to start it, they've got your key, vehicle's not going to start up at all. So what the customer has to do to drive this is go through a unique push sequence. To do that, they'll turn the ignition on, so foot off the brake, tap the start button until the lights come on, pop their unique code in. We'll get a double flash from the cruise control. Now we'll turn the car off and start, and it fires into life. If the customer wants to take this for a service, what they'll do, pull the handbrake 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to get 5 flashes from the cruise control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's in service mode. So when it goes back to Ferrari, as long as I don't need to take it on a long road test, simply have the key, it's a normal vehicle. It's going to start up, no code needed, obviously because it's in service mode. When you bring it home, you're going to want it turned back on and secure, so obviously the thieves that are in London at the minute programming keys can't steal it. To do that, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, like we have for now. We get our double flash and the system's back on. To make sure, we're going to turn it off, give it 5 to 10 seconds, and then try and start it without the code. As you can see, it's not starting, confirming the system's active. If the customers have changed the code on this, what they'll do, without starting the vehicle, so foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, prove that it's them, 1, 2, 3, 4, get our double flash. Now the system knows it's them and they've confirmed the code, they'll put their foot to the floor on the accelerator, repeat the code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. The cruise control is going to begin to flash and it's ready to learn a code. So we'll just change it to left, right, left, right. We'll get a triple flash. And again, left, right, left, right. We're going to get a double flash. You can see we get it on the screen. We also get the light in the corner. And now it's learned. So now next time they get in the vehicle, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on. Left, right, right. Double flash, turn off, foot on the brake, fire it up, vehicle runs. The customer can have their own code between 3 and 21 presses in any order they choose, totally up to them, totally unique. We're Immobiliser fit, our number's 0208 212 7393, and this is a Ferrari F8 Tributo secured with a push sequence Immobiliser. Protect your Ferrari, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser fit. Thanks for watching.